Hey everyone, I welcome you all to another session by Simplilearn. In this session, we will learn about TypeScript with Node.js. TypeScript has grown in popularity among JavaScript programmers. TypeScript will aid you in development process, ensuring that you are free of bugs and small errors. It detects mistakes during compilation and prior to the execution of code. TypeScript offers you a head start on identifying and correcting runtime issues. TypeScript provides faster development, especially if you're working on large applications. So let's get started with TypeScript with Node.js. But before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and clicked on the bell icon so you never miss an update from Simplilearn. So we'll first look at what is TypeScript. TypeScript is an object-oriented and strongly typed programming language, which is a superset of JavaScript. TypeScript was designed by Anders Hijelsberg at Microsoft. The limitations of JavaScript for developing large-scale applications at Microsoft and among its external customers led to the creation of TypeScript. Due to the difficulty of working with complicated JavaScript code, there was a demand for custom tooling to make development of JavaScript components easier. TypeScript code is converted to JavaScript, which can be executed anywhere. JavaScript is supported in a browser on Node.js or any other application. TypeScript is a JavaScript with some additional features. To support a more robust interaction with your editor, TypeScript adds additional syntax to JavaScript. TypeScript is a scripting language that understands JavaScript and uses type inference to provide powerful capabilities with additional code. What is Node.js? Node.js is an open source server side execution platform for JavaScript code. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime based on the version 8 JavaScript engine from Chrome. Node is an asynchronous, event-driven JavaScript runtime for building scalable network applications. Although Node.js is excellent for developing server-side apps, it lacks several current features such as type checking. It can also be difficult to manage a Node.js code base. Node is commonly used for real-time applications like chat, news feeds, and web push notifications because it allows for a persistent connection from the browser to the server. The current coding methods such as static typing and type checking are supported by TypeScript. It's designed to create complex and high-level applications. That's why having TypeScript as a primary language for supporting Node.js capabilities would be ideal. This also allows us to develop server-side apps with rigorous type checking, avoiding runtime errors and other TypeScript benefits while maximizing Node.js capabilities. Now let us see how to set up the development environment for TypeScript with Node.js. The prerequisites are we need to have TypeScript installed in our device and Node.js. To install Node.js, go to the official website. Go to nodejs.org and go to downloads. So here you can see we have Node.js for different browsers for Windows, Mac OS and source code. So go to Windows if you have Windows PC and click on install. Click on Windows and here you can see it is getting installed. Since I have already installed in my device, I'll cancel it. So once you have installed, go to the command prompt and just enter node.v to check if node is installed properly. So here you can see the node is installed in my system. To install TypeScript, just run the command npm node package manager install globally TypeScript. Just run this command and TypeScript will be installed. Since I have already installed TypeScript in my device, I'll cancel this. So once you have installed TypeScript, to check if TypeScript is installed or not, to see if the compiler is installed, just run the command TypeScript compiler space version. Here you can see it will show the version of TypeScript compiler. So now that we have installed both TypeScript and Node.js, let's see an example program for TypeScript with Node.js. So let's jump into Visual Studio Code. One more prerequisite is we need to have Visual Studio Code installed. So create a new folder and create a new project. So we'll run an example program. We'll create a function. We'll write a program to add two numbers. So sum number 1 comma number 2. We'll return number 1 and number 2 console.log. We'll call the function sum and we'll provide the arguments. So we'll provide the value 9, 5. So let's save and run this program. First we'll run typescript.cmd type.ts command. Then we'll run node and the file name. Here you can see it's showing the value. It's showing the output as 14. 9 plus 5. The sum of 9 plus 5 is 14. So we'll delete this and write another program to show a hello message or a welcome message. So we'll create a function. We'll name the function as welcome message. And we'll return that user is equal to Simplilearn. Console log. We'll call the function welcome and pass so here we go. We'll save this and check whether we have an error. So here we go. It's showing welcome to Simplilearn. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for being here. Keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.